Power down your iPhone 6s Plus. Remove the two bottom pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button and pull the display assembly away from the rear case. Use the iSesmo opening tool to help carefully separate the display assembly from the rear case. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws securing the metal cover to the motherboard. Now use the fine-tip curved tweezers to disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws, securing the protective metal bracket in place. With the metal bracket removed, disconnect the Taptic engine from the motherboard. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws that secure the Taptic engine to the rear case. With the fine-tipped curved tweezers, remove the iPhone 6s Plus Taptic engine.